Hi everyone. Tonight Dom's got a bad cough, so I made Dominic lemon to help him to okay to help his cough better. So hopefully it will be okay soon. So this is I always give Dominic.
No.
No, listen.
No.
Hey.
No. No.
Try.
No.
He doesn't want, but I'm gonna try again. This is why I keep updating you guys what it's like for Dom, because even though I tried everything this, but he's refusing it. So all this is always either waste or succeed. So I'll try again. If he see, you can see how the journey of Dom can be challenging all the time. No success. It's a waste of lemon, but I keep trying.